Salute the YoungStar.
So these are like scenarios that professional big clothing brands are looking at and thinking about, and trying to be aware of. Basically, climate change is being managed by new technologies to help solve it and avoid some of the catastrophes. And clothes are made really sustainable by being made in a very high-tech way. So they might be 3D printed. They might be made in sort of high-tech ways that allow the fibers to be taken back after they're worn, or just to be like really sturdy with new hyper-futuristic materials. Maybe jobs have like part of the salary which is just for clothes.
Rather than it being all about money.
So like, you get £5 or £10 an hour, but then you also get £2 an hour for like clothes money.
£7 an hour.
Yeah, like
Minimum wage.
Well, in the future, we don't know what it will
do you think in the future it will go up or down?
It'll go down.
It'll go down, yeah.
I feel like my generation is going to have to pay because of this
You
generation.
can put sticky notes every day for like all the
You could get more clothes for
and then all of a
less.
sudden we don't have that job anymore because people
Clothing will have
like in the UK
displays.
So you can print the clothes quicker, and it's just a bit more safer for the environment.
I like that.
That's cool though, isn't it? Yeah. So I wonder how, if we're trying to, you said that's what it's all about,
if
so
you
what do you
take
think
a
of
pair
that?
of shoes into shoe, you get £5
I mean, fast forward about like 50 years.
Yeah, more new like maybe it will be a really formal thing. Maybe the government will have like an official swap channel. Like you go to the town hall to take
Now
your clothes
it's so
back,
fashion.
and
What do you think?
they give you new clothes, and they have like a huge bank or something.
That's a really good point.
Or how they have like food banks at the moment.
How they could be made so it's safer for the environment, and whether you can buy new clothes or change your looks automatically. I'd probably like in a mirror or walk into a wardrobe. You know, like that spy stuff when you walk in a wardrobe, push them out and it flips and you walk out, it's like that. Oh, and then you can automatically have your clothes fitted so you don't have to try new pairs on every time to get the right size.
You'll have like accessories, like let's say your glasses have a built-in speaker, so you won't need headphones. So you'll be able to hear around you as well as hear your music.
That's out now, you know.
Yeah, I know. I saw one.
Ray-Ban.
But the thing is, bare thick here. It's bare thick on your glasses. Everything.
We could have an app where you click off, it comes into a hologram, you can choose your outfit.
Then you step into the wardrobe and then like you would get the clothes and then you would just clothes that lets you like select the size that fits you and like get on comfort.
You could write little words in green. They could be your needs.
One is, would clothes have a different meaning to you in this future?
Okay,
Okay,
so
ready? 30 seconds starts now.
how would your bedroom be different in this future?
Okay, you've got another 15 seconds. Everyone write an idea.
What kind of techie?
Yeah. I said they'd probably feel a bit more valuable. Probably handle skills.
I said I already sometimes I get some words so I know kind of how to treat them, how to like.
I said I would have.
It's not like they're old like antiques, but it's not like they're so
to change style.
Yeah. So you still got.
Okay, now on to a new prompt.
I would change.
You wear thick, you have it in school, do you have it thick or do you have it thin?
No, I don't like it too thick. That's
Oh,
bad. Mine's. I'm a normal child.
Well, how did you used to have yours on?
His was thick.
Oh no,
He had the tiniest
one.
side.
That was cool when you was.
He was
Many years ago.
Yeah, then it's going to come back.
Oh, it came back.
By the
It
time
came back.
Kiki goes to school, it's going to be cool again. Yeah, and I'll be like, yeah, that was me as well.
So
How would we make it? How would we make it make
Well, Squid Game jumpsuit.
Everyone's younger.
So it could be something about like a uniform, right? So like the jumpsuits they all wear the same.
Yeah, can I have your picture of you?
Yeah, of course. Look. Give a good angle. Yeah, I don't know.
How do you know she's correct or not if you don't even know the dance?
She's correct, but she danced. Just because you danced.